Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Chico Forex, and I'm back with another banger. So, we'll be going over month by month my US 30 for 30 strategy, and we'll do it all the way into the new year. I'll be releasing a video every single month, back testing. So, please bear with me and let's get it going. All I need you guys to do is to sit tight, watch the video for clarity, and watch how precise I mark up my charts. And I want you to do the same as well to get you to the level that you need to be. And we're going to start with January. I'm also holding a private mentorship that I'll be doing this month and most likely next month as well. I need to see if I have enough time, but right now I have two individuals who I'm mentoring and they're doing really well. And then they're, taking this strategy and making it their own. So if you need help with anything pertaining trading, contact me on Instagram at chico.jackson, and I'll gladly help you. So let's get back into the charts. There's a reason why I have this marked up on Tuesday. Every Tuesday in the month, that's where it starts. So we're going to mark that up. We're going to find the highest of the high on Tuesday and the lowest of the low on Tuesday. And we're going to base our whole week off of that. So you don't trade Sunday when the market opens. You don't trade Monday when the market opens. You simply wait and sit on your hands until Tuesday. And the whole goal of this strategy is letting the market come to you. I was always taught to let the market fall into your hands. Because when it's not in your hands, what's happening? You're losing, your emotions are flying. Every single thing you're doing and thinking will probably affect, what's going on. You'll rush trades, you'll get in and you'll hold a trade for a short amount of time and miss out on the move, or you'll hold the trade up for a long amount of time and end up in profit to end up, not winning anything. So we're going to mark up Tuesday in the beginning of the month. That's where we're going to start. And then I'm just going to mark it all the way through the month. And then I'm just going to go by it. So we have Tuesday right here. I marked that up. So as you can see, highest of the high on Tuesday, lowest of the low, and then the market closes on Tuesday to open up at 5 p.m. on a Wednesday. So don't get confused. The market closes on a Tuesday, but when it opens up at 5 p.m. on Tuesday, it's actually a Wednesday in the market. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the lowest of the low on Wednesday, which is this wick right here. Like, I really want this to be stuck in your head, guys. And I really want it to be simple so that, you can relax when you trade. Make it simple. It doesn't have to be complex. You don't have to, have all these indicators on your charts. Just watch how the market flows and, figure out what time you're comfortable in trading that day. There's so many things you can break down within your strategy that you have to critique, that we don't notice. And, I fell victim to it. So I'm trying to really, show you guys that this mindset is everything. Like, you can easily learn this strategy. You can easily learn any strategy, but how are you going to control your, risk? How are you going to control yourself when you're doing it? That's the biggest part. So I marked down the lowest of the low. It's not super hitting right there, but it's right there. That's the lowest of the low. It was this wick coming down right here. And then the highest of the high is up here. So I'm gonna mark that up. Try to make this video a decent time. And as you guys know, I don't edit my videos. It's a straight one take. So if I mess up, I mess up. I want you guys to see the raw, authentic side of me, the genuine side, and I want you guys to know that I'm here to help. at the end of the day. And everybody has flaws, and not everybody's going to do it right. But even if you know everything, you still can learn something from another person, no matter if it's little or small. All right, so the highest of the high, highest of the low. So check it out. As you can see, we entered, this is a buy stop. The buy stop got triggered right here, and then it went down. So our TP will always be 30 pips from the buy stop. So when you set the buy stop, make it 30 pips above the highest of the high of the previous day. Make the stop loss 80 pips. And do the same when you plug in your sell stop as well. So 30 TP below the lowest of the low and an 80 stop loss. So what's that looking like? It's looking like this right here. 30 TP. $80 stop loss. And I'll just put a line there just to let you guys know, and I'll change the color to red. And I'll change this. I'll mark this TP. 30 pips. And if you're new watching this video, 30 pips is proven. 30 pips was tested. 4 years back, I back tested this strategy. And I've been tweaking it every single year, making it better and better. Because you can always make your strategy better, but you always need to keep that base. Okay. And so this is the 30 TP. And I'll make that green. How about this? Let's go blue. Blue cheese. Okay, so, and I'll put an arrow there. That was your TP right there. But guess what? You ended up with an L. So that was a loss. You got to remember, January is a slow month. So trade at your own risk at this month. Loss. Loss on a Wednesday. I see. Loss on a Wednesday. All right, let's go to Thursday. Okay, so what happened? The buy stop activated. The sell stop didn't, because the sell stop is all the way right here. You marked up your charts the previous day, and look, check it out. Wicked up a little bit, but it doesn't look like it hit 30 pips. Let's check. And 20 pips. Now that was a loss. Now as you keep marking your charts up, you'll get faster and faster. It's very simple. It's very simple, very simple. Let me calm this, bring it up here. Loss Thursday. Loss on a Thursday. You got to be aware of those holiday months like December and January for New Year's. Pretty slow, but it takes a little bit for the market to get back in its flow. But we're gonna mark this day up. This Thursday, this was the high. Let's get real. Just duplicate that. Clone. Just gonna breeze through this month. All right, so as you can see on Friday, we hit TP, 30 pips, baby. We actually went for 62 pips. So as you can see, it just activated previous day's high, buy stop, boom, hit those 30 pips. We got to win. So we just gonna win Friday. Boom. Perfect. 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 Win Friday. We don't have to, we can mark up Friday. We just to make sure that, just to show you the highs and the lows. The lowest of the low. Now you got Sunday, Monday, yada yada yada. And it's usually, let's see, right. Let me check the dates just in case. This is the 12th. Okay. So this is Tuesday right here, guys. So we'll skip this. And now we into Tuesday. We're gonna mark that baby up. We gotta get in closer. All right. Let's duplicate that. Clone. By the way, guys, I am marking this up with TradingView. This is a great, website with a bunch of tools that you can backtest with. You also can do bar replay, so you can, backtest without, looking at the market as it is, like it is right now. So this is Tuesday. Remember, guys, Tuesday, no trades, but mark it up. Boom. What happens? We got us another win, 30 pips. It went 40, but I just know that it hit 30 pips, no losses. Activated the buy stop, hit. So that was a Wednesday win. Wednesday win, baby. Let's mark up Wednesday because the market has closed, and we're waiting patiently for the market to open. So as soon as the market opens at 5 p.m., we already have it marked up, and we're ready to set our buy stops, which will be right here, and our sell stops, which would be right here. So as you can see again, now I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to show you guys this because we got activated. Let's see if it's a loss. So we got activated right here. Boom. And look, we went all the way down. Oh, look at that. You see this candlestick right here. You see that? Check it out. It only went for 30, 35-ish, 36-ish pips and drawdown. And then the next candle, a bullish candle opened next to it. And then look, we hit our 30 pips right there. And yeah, this is 30 pips, guys. Check it out. This is 30 pips. Check it out. I'll even zoom in for you. Look at that. When it's not zoomed in, it don't seem like 30 pips, but it's 30. And it hit it so fast when it do. Boom, look at that. Right there, 30 pips. It's ridiculous. This strategy is very simple, and it could net you a lot of money. You just have to be patient, and you have to let it come to you. And mostly the days of losses is just no trades. And this is literally a slow month. Like this month is not expected to, not expected to do well in this month. But let's see how this month plays out. We're only on the 13th. What was that? Thursday win. Thursday win. Boom. Another one. Right there. Check that out. The lowest of the low. That's right there. All right. All right. Now check this out. Thursday. Now we on Friday. Now the market opened at 5 p.m. It opened bullish, went up, wicked, back down. Candlestick open, came down, activated our sell stop, went 25, right? Went 21, 20, 22 pips. Came back up, right? For this to open back up and hit your 30 pips. Now, I bet you're thinking, check this out. I bet you're thinking, oh, okay, the market, activated that sell stop and it only went 22. But what happens if it just went all the way up and was just dancing around before it actually closed right here to end up for the next candle to, open up next to it? But this is where your 80 pips stop loss is so crucial, because check this out. What did it do? Even if it went all the way to the top, it only went 50 pips. You know what I'm saying? 53 pips. So you were in drawdown, but guess what? It came right back down and gave you the money. Okay. I watched how every single candle pumps within their strategy. So there's complete confidence. So let's put that win down. That's what we want. That win. Yeah. Win. All right. And that this was the high of the high of Friday. And this was the low. This was the low. Boom. Look at this. Marked up already. Just to make sure the 19th, yes, was a Tuesday. Okay. Let's take a step back. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Let me make this a little bit better for you guys. Now look at this. Tuesday's highest of the high. Tuesday's lowest of the low. Next thing you know, great big bullish candle came through, activated that buy stop heavy. Hit 30 pips, even went for 88 pips. And I'll show you guys if you're joining my private mentorship, I'll show you guys how to calculate, how to really take advantage of those bigger moves, how to get in before and get in two trades, ride one trade all the way to the buy stop, and then take TP at 30 pips for both trades, to maximize your profit. And when you get good at this strategy, then you'll notice things like that. But yes, 30 pips hit. So that was a win. So let's clone that. Let's bring it over. And what is that? That's Wednesday win. You got an FTMO account. You're doing four lots on FTMO, 100K account. This is a $1,200 win off of 30 pips. No drawdown. Just straight gas. Yeah, I'm not doing. Hey, mess me up. Trying to get over here. And when you're marking this up, guys, make sure you're getting down to the T and you're precise. I'm a little bit rushing this video because I don't want to keep you guys long, but yeah, just make sure you're really noticing the highest of the high and lowest of the low of the previous day. Now check this out. Up in here, it's gonna be a close call. Let's see. So what happens? Came up, didn't get activated yet, but then we came up here, activate. What happened? So the trade entered here. What we got? Oh, 53 pips, then hit 80 stop loss, came right back up, jumped around again, then boom. Then what's over here? Oh, look, check this out. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. Didn't even look how long we was in this trade. Look, hit right up in there. Wait, didn't even hit like 29 pips. It was playing with us. So right up in here, it was playing with us. It hit 29 pips, then hit the 30. But guess what? It came right back down. And then you'll probably be asleep during this time, to be honest. And that's the joy of it. Like you're most likely gonna hit it no matter what. And if you hit 80 pips, okay, you're gonna have, more wins than losses with this strategy. So it really don't even matter. And you can actually sleep. You don't have to watch the trade. Like, when you're in another trade and you're trading a whole different strategy and you're in some drawdown because you've over leveraged your account and stuff like that. You don't have to watch this. Check this out. As soon as this came back. So what happened was this candle open, it could have dropped, but what happened was it went up like this, came back down, it opened right here, went up, and hit your 30. Look, 30 pips right there. Then you woke up to some money. And this was a Thursday win. Thursday win. All right, now let's mark this high of the high. Boom, high of the high. And let's duplicate that phone. And where we at with it? Right here. Another win. It's just wins all over. Wins all season. Wins all season. Okay, and I'm just gonna do this before I even mark it up. And bring it over here because I know it's a win. Friday. Oops. Friday win. Check this out. What happened here? All right, so it activated that sell stop. What did it do? 30 pips. So this candle, it just came down crashing. This candle, it knocked it out. That was, to be honest, guys, that was probably like, it knocked it out. As soon as that candle opened, came down, knocked it out within minutes. Like, it gets that crazy. So that was a Friday win. Then you enjoyed your weekend because you didn't overtrade that weekend, and you had you know 3 wins of 1,200 if you're on a 100K FTMO account and you're trading for a lot. Weekend, Tuesday right here. Mark up. Dang, this looking like another win for us. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see. Tell me something, guys. Is this 30 pips or is this like 400 and some pips or 500? Could easily capitalize off that move. But you hit 30 pips. So that was a win. And that was a Wednesday win for you. And then we gonna mark up, look out, let's see. They try to get us right over here. But no, they couldn't. Because the highest of the high of that previous day is right here. Let's take this out. What happened here? Another win? Yes. Clone. Oh, what's going on? Thursday win. Dang, it look like we didn't lose this week either. You can just look down here. Thursday win. Jeez. What happened? And as you guys can see, right here is when the sell stop activated. And look at that. We got 110 pips out of that, but we took profit right here. We just need a portion of the move. We don't need the full move. When you start thinking about the full move and what you could have done and how you should have stayed in, you get in your head and it affects your trading. You guys just want simplicity. That's it. Now, take this out. Hold on. Highs at a high. And then Friday. Lows of the low. And then the sell stop activated with this bearish candle and boom. Went for 159, but we got 30 out of it. We just need the 30 and we done with our day. Boom. So man, why they win. Like there should be a point where um trading gets boring to you because you're doing the same thing. You're so consistent. You're doing the same thing over and over again. It's exciting when when you make wins and have decent profit day by day. But trading shouldn't be a job. You shouldn't be looking at your charts all the time like it's some job or something. You're doing this to free up your time. Like, what's the main goal here? Free up your time. And guess what? Look at this. And this is what I'm talking about. I would rather see this than a loss. I would rather see a no trade than a loss. And you see right here the high, so the high of the day. Look at that. It's right here. Look at that. Oh, so the low is right here. This, oops. Oh, okay. This is what you call a no trade. No trade. Nothing activated. You see? Came close, didn't activate. What did you do that day? You relaxed. No trade. You woke up, you went to sleep, you look up, oh, didn't lose nor win. This is a no trade too. No trade. Why? And this is a problem you're gonna run into. Check this out. When the market opened, it opened right next to the high of the day. Actually, no, this is not a no trade. And this where, since I'm Russian, I didn't notice this. So I'm gonna show you how it really gets to crunch time when you're with this strategy and you need to notice and be precise. So I had to zoom in a lot to show you this. Look how far I didn't mark this at the highest, the very highest of the high. So watch this. Right there. Now check this out. The market, this was my buy stop. The market opened so close to my buy stop. And I know you're thinking it will activate. It will activate. No, this wouldn't activate. If it was like right there, it would activate. But no. Market open, you're like, oh, okay, this might be a buy stop. Let's get it. Nah, came down, you're like, oh, thank you. Look at all that drawdown. I don't have to experience it. And then look, later on when you're asleep, what happens? 30 pips, done. So that this is a win. What is that? Hold on. What date? Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. Wednesday. Oh, oops, my bad, guys. Thursday, man. Thursday. Yeah. Thursday win. Can't get no better than that. And then it's a Friday win. Look at that. And look at this. Hold up. We in a different month. I done went to a whole different month. My bad, guys. We just end this week out. But as you can see, you know, Friday. Clone. Friday. Okay. Friday win. Right then and there. What they do? Buy stops was right here. Clone. Again. $30 pips. Boom. 30 pips here, right here. Quick. And that was your Friday. All right, I went into the next month on you guys. My bad. We'll start here on the next video of back testing the US 30 for 30 strategy. All right, so let's see. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna take a step back and I'm gonna show you guys what we just marked up. Look at that. Check this out. You see any more red? No. Right when it was close to the holidays, around the 5th, you got some losses in there. That was expected. Then the market started picking up. You know, we got, got some people trading now. Money's flowing. Boom, we got wins on top of wins, on top of wins, on top of wins, on top of wins. And we in there. So let's get ready. I'm gonna keep my chart right here. I'm gonna save it. We're gonna stay right here to the next video, and we're gonna get to it. We're gonna go into February, in February, and then after that, we're gonna go to March, April, May, June, July, and so on until the end of the year. So I thank you guys for staying along within this video. If you're still here, please like and subscribe if you like the content that I'm bringing. Eventually I'm going to be, bringing in lifestyle videos, lifestyle vlogs, me, doing other businesses and stuff like that, just to take you guys, into my lifestyle and stuff like that. So, hit me up if you need anything. I'll always be here. And this is Chico Forex. Deuces. Wow.